Hello everybody, so this video is going to be about regular and irregular verbs in the simple past. So we have been seeing the simple past, but now we're going to focus on the verbs and what they mean, and yeah, in the affirmative. So when we have regular verbs, we usually just add ed to the verb, but when it ends in an e, we just add the d. When it ends in a consonant plus y, we change the y to an I and then add ed. When the verb ends in a vowel plus y, we just add ed. And when a verb ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, we double twice the final consonant and add ed. So here are the examples. Work, worked. We usually just add ed. Next one, dance, danced. Ends in e, we just add the d. Then the next one is consonant plus y. Try. Consonant or the y, we change the y to I and add ed. Try, tried. Then in a vowel and y, we add ed. Play, vowel, y, played, play, played. And the last one, consonant, vowel, consonant, double the final consonant and add ed. So stop. P, consonant, O, vowel, P, consonant, double P, stop, stopped, double P. So those are the rules for the adding the ed. So here we're going to see some like frequently verbs that are frequently used, just some of them. Then let's start. So want, wanted. The examples are I wanted to buy a house or she wanted to go to a park. Maybe wanted, you can want to do something or want something, to have something. So there we have it, want, wanted. Then look, looked. So look with your eyes, look, looked. The examples, I looked at the woman and I looked for my sister in the photo. Look, looked. Next one, use, used. So let's say that this is a woman. I don't know, but let's say that she's a woman. So yesterday, the woman used her phone. We can also say he used a ruler to measure the paper. I used my phone to take a picture. So those are examples for use, like utilize, use, used. Then call and in past, called. Examples, they called her, but she didn't pick up. And he called her pretty. So called can be for like your phone, or like when you say something to someone, like he called her pretty, or he called me dumb, he called me stupid, things like that. So when somebody calls you on the phone, or just like they call you something like a name. Then try, tried. The girl tried hard to win the game. So try, tried. Like something that requires effort. So they tried to lose weight and she tried to stop smoking. Try, tried. Ask, asked. So this man asked a lot of questions. You could, another example, I asked the teacher a question, or he asked his friend for a ride home. So asking for information, for favors, anything like that. Then need, needed. This car ran out of gasoline, so the car needed gasoline like yesterday or last week. So I needed some oil for the cake and we needed more free time. So something that you don't have, but it's necessary. So need, needed. Then help, helped. So let's say that this man helped this man out, like provided assistance. She helped me with the work and they helped to clean the house. Help, helped. Then talk, talked. So this man talked with his friend about sports or anything else that these could mean. So talk, talked. I talked with my friend last night. We talked for a long time. Talk, talked. Change, changed. So something that is different. Something that is not the same. So he changed his clothes. He was wearing something else, so he put on something different. And you changed after the accident. You became different. So this person became like maybe the personality changed. They became different after the accident. Then, like we have seen, irregular verbs, they're different because they change. They don't have like the ed. So we have to memorize them. For example, drink, drank, hit, hit, and write, wrote. Whoops. So here, hit, it's the same. So it doesn't have ed, it's still irregular. So the first one here is be, was, were. So remember, I was, he was, she was, it was, you were, we were, they were. Here the example is, he is tall, but in the past, he was short. Other examples are, he was angry, and you were a student. Then we have become, became. So a person can start off as a student, and then after a process, the person was a student, and after the process, they became an architect, let's say. So we became teachers and she became angry. So after some sort of process or thing that happened, you became. So become, became. Begin, past, began. The people began the race 5 minutes ago. So to start, they began to do their project yesterday and he began his diet. Begin, began. Then break, broke. The woman broke the pencil. Other examples, the boy broke his arm, or the dog broke the man's glasses. So these are glasses. The dog broke the man's glasses. Break, broke. Buy, bought. So this woman right here, she, let's say last week, she bought some shoes, or she bought a new computer. You bought some clothes at the mall. Buy, bought. Can, could. So they could talk at the event last week and he could convince the others to buy a car. So can, it talks about, so it refers to possibility or ability. So maybe we can say that this man in present can ski, but now he doesn't know how to ski. He forgot. So the man could ski. He doesn't know how to do it now. So can, could. Then choose, chose. So this person here is choosing which button to push, the red one or the green one. So he chose, let's say, the red one. I chose chicken instead of salad, and my mom chose to marry my dad. Those are examples. Choose, past, chose. Do, did. It's like for an activity, for activities. So he did his homework and you did exercise. Then we have drink, past, drank. I drank a lot of water when I was younger. She drank a smoothie 2 days ago. Drank, drink. Then drive, drove. So the woman is driving the car. So if it was yesterday, the woman drove the car. You drove to work and we drove her car. Those are examples. Then read, read. This one is spelled the same, but pronunciation is different. Read, read. So I already read, past. I already read that book. And the man read his phone's instructions. Read, read. Write, wrote. He wrote a speech and she wrote a book. Write, wrote. And that was the last one. So these are just like a few verbs that are frequently used. There's like a lot more, but these are just a few, just to notice how they change in the simple past, in the affirmative. So that would be all for this video. I hope that it was helpful and I'll see you guys later. Bye.